What's up, Fast Guy Kills? I'm Sophie Mazet.
And I'm Frank Scott, and welcome to
the Cowboy Roundup. Out of the 57 students who competed in the DECA state competition, 9 Hill students are advancing to the ICDC competition in Orlando, Florida. Congratulations to Mackenzie Blowers, Alec Boyajian, Talia Boyajian, Matthew Friedman, Jeremy Friedman, Ali Korn, Liz Machini, Melanie Meisner, Hannah Kasem, Miss Gamgore, and Mr. Henry.
This is your last week to sign up for Hills' first 3-on-3 tournament ever. Check your email and search for Susie Gertz to register. Registration requires $15 per team, and all profits go directly to the children in Haiti.
Thanks to Mr. Fast Guy Kills, the money raised was able to help send the golf and tennis teams to Florida at the end of the month.
On March 19th from 7 to 9 p.m., Unity in the Valley is having their kickoff events featuring motivational speakers with their mission to help build up tolerance and understanding for all through education in order to foster a safer, more accepting community. Make sure to be there!
Welcome to what you should be listening to. As some of you watching may know, I tend to completely obsess over music. This week, I thought that I would stray away from talking about any new release material and just stick to some of my favorite albums out of the many that I've been listening to since last time. First, let's talk about Eat a Peach by the Allman Brothers Band. In my opinion, the Allman Brothers' best album, with songs like Ain't Wastin' No Time and Melissa. This album is a classic and worth the listen. Next, let's dive into Unplugged by Eric Clapton. MTV used to do a series of concerts called Unplugged, where famous bands would be asked to play acoustic covers of either their songs or other people's songs. Clapton is my second favorite Unplugged, right under Nirvana. Hearing songs like Tears in Heaven and Layla, both legendary classics, live and in acoustics, makes for such a soothing experience of an album. Terrapin Station by the Grateful Dead is my favorite album by the musical collective from the last century. Songs like Dancing in the Streets and Samson and Delilah just have such a resonating spot within my heart. This album is quite a not so long but strange trip, but in the best way possible. If you get that quote, extra points. Finally, let's look at In Utero, my second favorite album by my favorite band of all time, Nirvana. In my eyes, anything Kurt Cobain had ever touched during his lifetime was pure masterpiece. Songs like Heart-Shaped Box and All Apologies never get old no matter how many times you listen to them. The pure emotion and beautifully crafted artistic elements of this album just all coincide together so perfectly. If you're going to listen to any album off of this list, definitely let it be In Utero by Nirvana. Thanks for watching. Hope you found something you like. Tune in next time.
We want to say goodbye with a very happy St. Patty's Day wishes.
We'll see you next time on
The Cowboy Roundup.